Everyone certainly has their own routine. For example, school, work, taking care of household affairs, and so on. Without realizing it, after doing the same activity every single day, it can make us bored, stressed, and tired. And of course, sometimes we need a break to forget about work for a while or just refreshing after a tired day of activities, right? Because after refreshing, of course, it will make us more relaxed and enthusiastic about doing activities. If our enthusiasm increase, and it will increase our productivity. If you feel stressed or bored from your activities, then let me show you a recommended place to refresh your mind in your spare time. I will take you to the place that is like heaven in the middle of the city. Because even though it is located in an urban area, the natural conditions in this area are still very well maintained, so that you can still feel the sensation of nature with shooting air, even though you are in an urban area that full of pollution and traffic jams. To get to this location, you can use any form of transportation, from bicycles, motorbike, and cars. And you can also walk if you can. And yeps, we already arrived at the location of the waterfall. But don't get excited just yet. You have to climb 149 steps before you get to the location of the waterfall. But you don't have to worry about it. The road is good because the manager has made the road using cement and it has been given security in the form of an iron fence. Walking down the road will not feel tired if you are talking with your friends and your family. The view of walking down the road is also very beautiful. The expanse of rocks cliff looks stunning to the eye. Parom Waterfall is unique because it has two types of waterfall size, namely the mini waterfall and the big waterfall. So because of that, you can feel two different sensations of water pressure when bathing. Another uniqueness is that in this waterfall, there is a rock shaped like an elephant head. Let me make you hear the sound of nature. The sound is very beautiful and relaxing, right? So this is the slow motion of the waterfall. This place should be included in your destination list to enjoy time with your partners, friends, and family. So you can also take a break from your routine and even existing problems. And always remember, nobody has a perfect life. Everybody has their own problems, and some people just know how to deal with it in the perfect way.